Hi, my name is Sophia, and I'm gonna be showing you my slimes. Here's the first one. The first one is my country slime that I mixed up with, and you might like this one. You see, it's like super crunchy because I put some balls in it. Going on to our next one. Metallic. This is mixed up with something. I mixed up the metallicals. So but there's like no metallic in this. So you can see it's like almost like galaxy, and I have a little surprise at the end. Oh, my metallic one, but we'll find that later. Okay, next up, it's gonna be my Flurp slime. This one is a galaxy mixed up with pink and purple. So we have, as you can see, close up. That is my galaxy slime, and we're gonna do a few more, and then at the end, I'll show you my surprise. And then at the end, Andrew will have a little question. So we have this Play-Doh. Then at the end, we are going to show you a surprise what I just said. So here's the Play-Doh. And I put some stuff in it. And it doesn't smell pretty good. All it smells like is dough. And it says glitter dough pata palettes. I don't know what it said, but we are going on to be mixing up these two nom-noms. So this one is not a nom-nom one. This one is a nom-nom one, and I hope sorry, this thing just fell. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna actually, take this out, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plan it out, and I'm gonna put my slime in there. As you can see, I'm mixing it up right now, and my purple nom-nom slime looks pretty hard, so I'm gonna wait for that to mix up with that. I am 7 years old. I'm gonna be 8 in February. Maybe like 3rd, because mine was February 2nd. So that's my tutorial, and I'm gonna show you 2 more surprises. Guys, we're gonna be cutting this big squishy. Not big, but like a medium that my aunt gave me. So let's cut it. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see what's in it. I'm gonna get a spoon. No, here, and we're gonna squeeze this thing out. So let's see if I can, where do we do it? Right here? Okay. Squeeze it. Oopsie, here. Wait, okay, okay, it's coming from there, okay. We're squeezing this out, and it looks like shaving cream. So, pretty much. Okay, you know what we're gonna do with this slime? We are going to get a spoon and see if it actually is slime. I don't think it's actually shaving cream because we might mix something in with it. So let's try this and put it in. And that way we have more shaving cream so it can why can't I just put the whole thing in there? Really? I'm gonna try and mix this thing up and see if it's actually shaving cream. You can see. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button and hit those notifications. Love you guys. Bye-bye.